People need to live their lives and hop off mine. I'm not what you think, I am one of a kind. They all blind, so get a pair of sunglasses, because you can't stop my shine. Niggas better watch their asses before I turn them into ashes. But on the real, I stab you to death and then I will peel away from the scene, looking in every direction, making sure I wasn't seen. Nah, I mean still embedded, yes I am mean. I'm somewhat like that nigga from that movie Scream, so just scream, no one will hear you, so you can shed a tear or two before you meet the light. If you didn't know, you're gonna die, alright? Cool, you bitch ass fool. After that, I'ma walk away, because I'm a guy who doesn't like to play. So I will slay any nigga that wanna play. But hey, on the bright side, I could be a pretty nice guy until you fuck with me. Then you must die, you see? Best believe me, please. The moment that I say freeze, stop and get on your knees and begin to beg, please. But whatever you say, the knife is going through some flesh anyway. Stabbed to death, goodbye is all you heard, not another damn word. Because I get by, always fly, gotta stay high just like a bird. I'm the man and you're a punk ass nerd. With my plan, I'ma shit you just like a turd. You heard? You better have a clue how no matter what you came to do, you're still nothing but a fool. True, I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying still like a stool, and I don't care if it isn't fair. Niggas better be well aware, because I don't care.